7-year-old Sailor Gutzler not only walked away from the plane crash that killed her family, she knew exactly how to survive the aftermath. Her family's plane went down in western Kentucky Friday night, 45 minutes after takeoff. She was traveling back home with her parents, sister, and cousin after spending the holidays in Florida.
Do you think she realized the magnitude of what had happened?
I think so, because she indicated to us that she believed that her family was deceased, but that she hoped that they were just sleeping.
The 7-year-old found herself deep in the woods, in sub-freezing temperatures, still dressed for warm Florida weather, wearing only shorts and a t-shirt. Pitch black, barefoot, and alone, she crawled about a mile through rough terrain full of briars. She even tried to light a branch to make a torch from the flame of the wreckage. Somehow, she made it and knocked on the door of this man.
She said, my mom and dad are dead. We had a plane crash, and the plane was upside down.
Miraculously, her worst injury, a broken wrist.
Her little legs were just cut up from the bottom of her shorts to the tip of her toe. And it was about 35, 36 degrees, and barefooted. To know that the good Lord was with her, if she'd have walked the other direction, you probably wouldn't have found her for a week.